Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the online classes. So today we are going to discuss the topic about the equation with letter terms on both sides. Before you were studying, the equation have one side variable or the letter term. Sorry. And the other side with the constant value. But now in this equation we will study both sides of the equation having letter term or the variable. This chapter number 18, exercise 18H. Question number 1 to 16 about this lesson, and after that 17 to 46 will be in the next lecture. So your homework for the day is question number 1 to 16. See the page number 272 and 73. Today the date is 20 March 2020. Please open your books at chapter number 18, exercise 18H, page number 272 and 73. Deal with the letter first, then the numbers. This is the technique for solving this kind of questions. First of all, you will solve the letter term and then the numbers. See the example, 5x plus 2 equal to x plus 9. Very simple. When you bring this 2x to the other side, it will become negative. It will be 5x minus 2x. When you bring this plus 2 from here to here, after 9, not before 9. So it will be 9 minus 2. So now you can see 5x minus 2x equal 9 minus 2. 5x minus 2x equal 3x and 9 minus 2 equals 7. So x is equals to 7 over 3. 7 over 3, this is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. So you can see improper fraction here. 7 divided by 3. So when you write this into the mixed number, 7 divided by 3. Table of 3 up to 7. So 3 multiply to 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 2 fraction 1 over 3 is the answer. Question number 1. You can see here 3x plus 4 equal to x plus 8. When you bring this 2x to the other side, it will become minus, and when you bring this 4 to the other side, it will become minus. 3x minus 2x equal x, 8 minus 4 equal 4. So the next question number 6. 6z plus 4 equal to z plus 1. So when you bring this z to the other side, 6z minus 2z will be equal to 1 minus 4, not 4 minus 1. It will be 1 minus 4 because 1 is already here. When you bring this 4 to other side, it will become minus. 6z minus 2z equal 4z, it is equal to minus 3. Z equal minus 3 over 4. So the next question, question number 12, the similar one. Now you can bring this 2x to the other side and 3 to the other side, because if you bring this minus 2 to the other side, it will be easy to solve. And 3 comes here. 24 minus 3 equal 5x plus 2. 21 equal 7x. 21 divided by 7 equal 3. So here by mistake I wrote 7 divided by 3. It will be 21 over 7. Answer will be equal to 3. Take care, stay home, stay safe. My all good wishes with you. Inshallah we will be fine all, and see you soon inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.